Hi everyone, welcome to NefisTV. Here comes a delicious Turkish poached egg recipe that is totally worth the try. To start, add some salt and 1 tablespoon of vinegar into a medium-sized deep pan of water and bring to a boil. Using a spoon, swirl the water to create a whirlpool. Then crack the eggs in. Crack 1 egg at a time. Cook for about 4 minutes so that the yolk remains soft and runny. Adding vinegar to the water when poaching eggs keeps them from breaking up. That's why I add some. Transfer the eggs to a plate carefully using a slotted spoon and pour some plain yogurt on top. Then drizzle 2 tablespoons of melted butter red pepper flakes mixture over the poached eggs. Scatter with parsley or dill. Serve immediately with warm bread. Enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.